If you're experiencing login failures in EA FC25, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify common problems and provide solutions. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official EA website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct email and password for your EA account. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity issues. Step 3. Reset your password. If you suspect that your password may be incorrect, use the password reset option on the EA login page. Follow the instructions sent to your email to create a new password. Step 4. Clear cache and cookies. Sometimes stored cache and cookies can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, or if you're using a console, restart it to refresh the connection. Step 5. Contact EA support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to EA support for further assistance. Provide them with details about your issue and they can help you troubleshoot the problem. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues in EA FC25. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from EA's customer support.